Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear student, look, today our topic is exercise 4.1. Topic is exercise 4.1, lecture nong 20, age nong 17. At first, we have to know what is the algebraic term. Then we have to know what is the coefficient. Okay, student. At first, please read what do you mean by algebraic term. Look, each part of the algebraic expressions linked with the addition and the subtraction sign is known as term of the expression. Okay. And what is coefficient? When a number is attached with a variable in a single term expression as a multiplier, that multiplier is called the numerical coefficient or the coefficient of the expression. Student, at first I will show you how can you determine the coefficient. Look, for this reason I have select the question number 5. You see question number 5. Find out the coefficient of every time. You see here x and here is y. 2 is attached with the variable. Similarly, 8 is attached with the variable y. Y is attached with the variable 14 and z is attached with the variable -4. Okay, student. So at first I will solve question number 5. Look, question number 5. Question number 5, B 2x plus 8y. Okay, student, look, 2x plus 8y, the coefficient of x here, the coefficient of x is what? The coefficient of x is here 2 and the coefficient of y is here 8. Okay, student, look, question number 5b, the coefficient of x is here 2 and the coefficient of y is here 8. Okay, student. Now see question number 6. Look, 14y minus 4z. Therefore, the coefficient of y here, the coefficient of y is here 14 and the coefficient of z is what? Here z is -4. The coefficient of z is here -4. Okay, student, I hope you understood. This is called the coefficient. Okay. Now I will discuss question number 3. Look, student. Question number 3, how many terms are there in the expression? Okay, how many terms in the expression? 2x plus 3y division, 4x minus 5x plus into 8y, and what are the terms? Okay, student, at first I will discuss about coefficient because this is identify is so much easier than the number of terms. Okay, but the identification of number of terms, it is a little bit difficult. So I have solved question number 3 next time. Look, and for this reason I have select here 3 examples. Question number 3 and question number 4, 3 and 5. Okay, student, for this reason I hope you understood. Look, how many terms are there in the expression 2x plus 3y division 4x minus 5x into 8y. Student, look. At first count here. How many plus? Look. This is plus 1 plus and plus 2 and there is minus. So in this expression there are 3 terms. And what are the terms? 2x, 3y minus 3y division 4x and 5x into 8y. These are the 3 terms. Okay, right? Okay, students. Now write question number 3. There are 3 terms in the expression of 2x plus 3y division 4x, 2x plus 3y division 4x minus 5x into 8y. Look, 2x plus 3y division 4x minus 5x into 8y. Look, this is the expression, this is the one term, this is up to this. That means 3y division 4x up to this, another one term, and 5x into 8y, these are the another term. Okay, student? So, there are 3 terms in the expression of A. The terms are what? 2x, 3y division 4x and 5x into 8y. Okay, student, look. 2x is the term, one term, and 3y division 4x is another term, and 5x into 8y this is the another term. Okay, that means here there are 3 terms. How can you determine? You have to separate the plus and the minus. Okay, student. Now I will solve question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, student, you see. Question number 4. Find out the number of terms in each of the following expressions. Find out the number of terms in each of the following expression. Look, x minus 3y plus 5z, 5 number, x plus 5x into b minus 3y division c. Okay, so at first I will solve question number 3. Right here 3 now. X minus 3y plus 5z. Ax minus 3y plus 5z. Our question is what? Find out the number of terms. Find out the number of terms. Okay, only this is the question. Find out the number of terms. Okay, student, therefore write the number of terms. The number of terms. How many number of terms? Look, this is one term, another one term, and this is another one term. That means the number of terms is here only 3. Now 6. 5 number, x plus 5x into b, 5x into b minus 3y division c. Student, look, x plus 5x into b minus 3y division c. Student, look here, our question is what? How many number of terms? Look, at first you count how many plus and minus. Look, 1, 2 and 3. There is no plus, but you have to consider this is the plus. That means 1, 2 and 3. Okay, therefore write the number of terms. How many number of terms? Look, 1, 2 and 3. That means this is 1, 2 and 3. That means number of terms here also 3. Okay, student, I hope you understood about the term. Now, please students see the question and the creative questions, question number 7. Please see the CQ question number 7. If the price of a notebook is taka X, the price of notebook is taka X, and the price of a pencil is taka Y, and the price of a rubber is taka Z. Okay, the price of one notebook is X, the price of a pencil is Y, the price of a rubber is Z taka. A long question, what is the total price of 5 notebooks and 6 pencils? Okay, look, the price of 5 notebook is what? 5 into X, that means the price of one notebook X is X. Therefore, the 5 notebooks is 5 into X, that means taka 5X. Then the price of 6 pencil is what? 6 into Y, that means 6 taka 6Y. Therefore, the total price of 5 notebooks and 6 pencil is taka what? 5X plus 6Y. You see 5X plus 6Y. Okay, this is the solution for 1 now. Now see question number 2. What is the total price of 8 pencils and 3 rubbers? Similarly, we know the price of 8 pencil is taka what? 8 into Y. That means the price of 1 pencil is Y taka. Therefore, the price of 8 pencil is 8 into Y. That means taka 8Y. The price of 3 rubbers is taka what? 3 into Z. That means 3Z. Now, according to the question, therefore, the total price of 8 pencils and the 3 rubbers is taka 8Y plus 3Z. 8Y plus 3Z. This is the total price of 8 pencils and 3 rubbers. Okay, student? Now, I will solve question number 3. You see, what is the total price of 10 notebooks, 5 pencils and 2 rubbers? Look, the price of 10 notebook is what? Sorry, the price of 10 netbooks is what? 10 into X, that means 10X taka. You see, this is 10 into X, that means taka 10X. The price of 5 pencil is what? 5 into Y, that means 5Y taka. The price of 2 rubbers is taka what? 2 into Z, that means 2Z taka. Now, according to the question, the total price of 10 notebooks and 5 pencils and the 2 rubbers is taka. Look, 2 notebook is taka 10X, 5 pencil is 5Y and the 2 rubbers is 2Z. Including this, we get taka 10X plus 5Y plus 2Z. Okay, student, this is the solution for the CQ number 7. Now, B now question 7 of B. If the price of a group of 4 bananas is taka X, that means 4 things makes one group. 4 things make here one group. Now, what is the price of 5 group of 4 bananas? 5 group, here is now 5 group. Now, look, one group of 4 bananas is taka X. Therefore, 5 groups of 4 bananas is what? 5 into X, that means 5X taka. Now, question number 2. What is the price of 12 bananas? Look, the price of 4 bananas is taka X. Therefore, the price of 1 banana is taka X by 4. That means less. When the amount will be less, then this will be division. Therefore, the price of 12 bananas is more taka. That means X into 12 by 4. Okay, divide 12 by 4, then you get what? 3. 3 into X equal to 3X taka. Okay, student, I hope you understood. Now, I talk with you about HW topic. Look, HW is 17. Our HW is 17. Topic exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1, question number 8. MCQ, there are 3 MCQs. You do this. And the example long 7, which is taken from your book, page number 94. Page number 94. Student, remember, this HW is the during vacation of Eid-ul Fitr. Okay, during vacation of Eid-ul Fitr, and you submit this HW copy on 29th May 2021. Okay, 29th May 2021. Dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.